In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from HubSpot CRM efficiently and seamlessly. Extracting data from your CRM system is essential for keeping track of your business dealings and ensuring you have access to the insights necessary for strategic decisions. So sit back, relax, and let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to head over to your HubSpot trial guide. This is your starting point. Make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account, and once you're in, navigate towards the CRM section of HubSpot. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management, is where all your customer and sales data live, so it's crucial you know how to access it. Next, you should click on the Deals section within CRM. The Deals section is where you can view all of the transactions and opportunities with your clients and leads. This step is important because it narrows down the information you're most likely interested in exporting, which is the sales data. After you're in the Deals section, look for the Export option. This feature allows you to extract the data from HubSpot into a usable format. Clicking on Export will prompt you to further customize what you need from the data export. Now that you're ready to export, it's time to name your export file. It's a small step, but a significant one. Naming your export appropriately ensures you can easily find and identify your files later on. Pick a name that clearly represents the contents or the purpose of the data export. Once you have named your export, you will need to choose a file format. Typically, CSV or Excel file formats are preferred because they are versatile and compatible with many data analysis tools. Be sure to select the format that best suits your needs and software capabilities. Then look out for the option labeled Language of Column Headers. This option allows you to set your preferred language for the column headers in your exported data file. Setting the correct language ensures the data remains readable and understandable, particularly if you work in a multilingual environment. Now it's time to customize the export settings. Customizing lets you specify which data fields you want included in your final export. This option is critical because it allows you to tailor the export to include only the information that is relevant to you, saving time and computing resources. Finally, once everything is set, click on the Export button. This final action initiates the data extraction process. Depending on the amount of data, it may take a few moments to complete, but you will soon receive your data extracted exactly as you have configured it. And that's it! You've successfully extracted your data from HubSpot CRM. Now you can use this data for reporting, analysis, or to glean insights that help push your business forward. Thank you for joining me today, and happy data handling with HubSpot CRM.